traders at UBA expect continued bearish sentiment in the bonds secondary market to linger for the rest of this month. Meanwhile, investors are taking position ahead of next week's 211 billion Naira treasury bills auction. Chuka Nwachukwu, head of ALM and Balance Sheet Management at UBA, joins me for a wrap of trading at the fixed income market this week. Chuka, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Esther.
Walk us through trading. I know it's been mixed between from the bond to the treasuries and, of course, the liquidity situation at the money market. Walk us through that.
Okay, like you said, liquidity has been the key. System has been really tight. Yesterday, system opened around 34 billion. Today, it opened slightly higher, around 73 billion. And so, obviously, that has affected trading in both markets of treasury bills and bonds. We've seen bearish sentiment. Two things. One, traders trying to mop up, sell out some of the low yield they have in order to create liquidity, as well as a position for next week NTB auction. Also, on the bond side, we've also seen bearish sentiment as well. Even though there were a little bullish sentiment on the shorter end of the curve, but largely it's been quiet, and then the few trade we've seen so far has to do with the bearish sentiment. We still expect to see high yield, and that is why one of the reasons why we've seen a lot of sell-off in the market. Well,
I suppose that's why investors are keeping an eye on next week's 211 billion treasury bills auction. Talk to us about your market expectations around subscription levels and what the stop rates could potentially look like.
Yeah, the last auction came out at 16.75 levels. We expect this auction as well, next week auction, to also print within that level, around maybe like between 10 to 20 basis points higher. So we are looking at around 17% levels. The last one too was highly oversubscribed, and so we expect to see this auction. It might be oversubscribed, but the only constraint now is that the system is not liquid, and so we probably might just see a bit of moderate bid, moderate offers, especially with PFAs, looking to close their books, and so that obviously will, it's something that we need to look out for.
All right, Chuka, we'll leave it there. Thank you for talking to us today. Appreciate your time on the show.
Thank you very much.
Well, that was Chuka Nwachukwu, head of ALM and Balance Sheet Management at UBA.